And over here, this icon is to test the survey, so this is how you can get a feel for it. And because there's no question so far, it's blank. And then over here is survey properties, and you can look at things such as general settings, survey permissions, quotas, reordering, question groups, etc. Over here you have tools, so this is essentially a delete survey. You can do quick translation for the questions. And over here you have display, export, so you can export the survey in a couple of different formats, both in a printable version and also in this other format, QXML. Here, this is responses. One useful thing is that you have a data entry screen, so this is a page where they basically put all the questions, and it allows you to enter all the answers into one page, so you don't have to click through multiple pages. So this is a pretty useful feature for the later portions. And over here is token management, and just to unpack that a little bit, that means that you can have all of these surveys. In order to enter one, you have to be given a token. So essentially, if you want to control who can enter the survey, for example, if you're doing a web-based survey of partners, you'd give each partner a unique token, and they have to use that to enter the survey. And that's useful if you don't want strangers and if you don't want people to be entering multiple surveys. So it's a good control mechanism. And now, if you look all the way to the right, you can just hide it, and you can expand it, and insert it, and close it. So let's go ahead and create a question group. So just to make this clear, a question group contains a series of questions, and you have to first create a question group before you can create any questions. So I'm just going to call this group 1. And now you can actually start creating questions. So let's go ahead and create the first question. And for some reason, a lot of times you'll get this page, and I'm not sure right now if this is because of the free web host I'm using, or because this is something inherent with the script, or this is just my computer. So if you see this, I would just recommend you just refreshing it, and it'll just work out normally. So this code right here is basically a way for you to quickly identify it. So you can just put, 1, or you can use a letter, just something quick to help you identify it, or it can just be, even one like intro question. So this is the question. So for us, it's going to be, what is your full name? And as you can see here, you can do a lot of different kind of formatting, do bullet points, include images, have links, and etc. There's a lot more flexibility than you'd have in SurveyMonkey. And right here, you can make this mandatory or not. So you have different question types. So for example, right now, it's set to long free text. There's huge free text. So now you can see all these different examples. But what we want right now is a short free text. And there's a lot of choices that you can use. And let's go ahead and click that. And let's go ahead and click Save.